Yo, what's going on YouTube? CJ Brand is back with a brand new video once again. And today we're doing another unboxing video, but it's not going to be one of those standard unboxing videos. It's actually going to be unboxing Plain Jane. Now Plain Jane, this is a company that reached out to me again as well. They sell hemp flowers, you know, CBD, not THC, but CBD. And if you guys know a little bit about CBD, that's, you know, anything that can help you out with anxiety, depression, PTSD, pain, back pain and stuff. And it's actually legal, I believe it, I want to say in all 50 states, but correct me if I am wrong. Go ahead and correct me if I am wrong. I don't know, but I did know it's legal here in Missouri. So we got a couple of CBD shops here. Hopefully it is legal everywhere because CBD is actually a great product for anybody. You know, if you don't want to do, you know, marijuana, you can actually, you know, go ahead and take some CBD. Like I said, it's legal. You probably can catch it in the mall, catch it in a couple stores as well. They have their own dispensaries pretty much everywhere right now in St. Louis. So yeah, man, let's go and get into the video. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this out. I'm not personally gonna be trying anything because I don't smoke in my house. I really don't smoke at all, honestly. So let's go and get straight into it, guys. All right. So I guess we're going to use our lucky knife today as well. Go ahead and slice this box open right quick. I think we're gonna slice it open. Oh my god, I think we're gonna slice it open. All right. So this is going to be the Plain Jane starter kit as well. They didn't send us a lot of stuff. They just sent us a few products, you know, for us to test it out. And then, of course, at the end of the video, we'll have a link that's going to be down below as well for you guys to go ahead and try the company out as well. If you guys do remember, we did do a video for Spencery. Me personally, Spencery, I still love their brand as well, and I wish they would reach back out to me as well because their CBD pen and the cartridges, it was just, you know, it was something. It was like you could smoke it and be discreet with it, rather than, you know, actually going to buy the, you know, the whole flower, or buying like pre-rolls and stuff like that. But enough of that, you know, fancy talk. Let's go ahead and see what Plain Jane sent us, man. So we got some paperwork right here. I'm pretty sure this is just the order. I need to make sure my address is in here, which it is. So it looks like in here they sent us the King Palm Mini CBD Blunt Sampler, menthol filtered hemp pre-rolls, and the Tokyo Indoor Hemp Flower. So yeah, like I said, it's not a normal video that I normally like to do on my channel because, you know, we're techie, but sometimes, holy crap, sometimes when you do tech, you gotta have some type of stress reliever. If it ain't more tech, then it gotta be, I don't want to say that you should resort to CBD or resort to any other drugs, but you gotta do something. Anyway, first part that they gave us right here is a Plain Jane. This right here is going to be their Tokyo flower. This is 3.5 grams of CBD right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up at the end just to smell it. I want to see what else we got in here first. So we got that, and then, oh wow, when they said mini, they really meant mini. This right here is their mini CBD blunt sampler. I didn't know they were really going to be this small, but it looked like a little small candy box. And then it gave us 2 menthol pre-rolls as well. It looks like it's 0.9 grams, I think so. 72 milligrams of CBD in each one of these right here. I don't smoke menthol at all, so thank you. We'll go ahead and, I know somebody who do smoke that, so we'll see. But anything else we got in the box, let's go ahead and see. We got us a, oh yeah, we can go and get our lab results right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and, you know, check the product out, go ahead and scan that QR code as well, and you'll be able to check to see what, you know, the lab results are, how, you know, how this product is actually made and is actually good for your body. So let's go ahead and, you know, we're gonna go ahead and start off with a Plain Jane, the mini CBD blunt sampler right here. Let's go ahead and unbox this right quick. Look like we've got some tape on here, so. And I would say as of right now, I can't smell it at all, so that's a good thing. I know you play one of your, it's in plastic, duh. That don't mean anything at all, trust me, at all, so. Oh, I can smell it now. As soon as I put my face in the box, so. This is pretty cool right here. Wow, yeah, so it's, you know, it's pretty chill. Look, I'm like, let me cover it up, man. But yeah, it's a pretty chill product right here. We got 4 small mini King Palms in here. These right here are filtered out with corn. Yeah, these should be the corn ones. So it looks like the 4 flavors in here is blueberry diesel, golden cherry CBG, and sour space candy. I don't know what CBG is. I'm gonna have to do some more digging on that, Mr. This is Plain Jane. I gotta know what that is. So that's that right there. and then we'll go ahead and unbox the menthol ones as well to see, you know, what they got in here for us. And I messed with the box already. All right, that's pretty cool. So if you guys can see it, I don't know if you can or not. It's actually, you know, packed with the CBD already built in, so that's, you know, pre-rolls. They just plug and play. So this is what it looks like. It does look like a regular cigarette, but once again, this right here is the filter for the cigarette. This is gonna, you know, make sure that the smell is very discreet. So you may be able to smoke this at work, honestly, but I don't know, you know. And the reason I keep saying I don't know is just because I've never personally tried to smoke, you know, CBD at work, or even smoked at work before. But who knows what you can get through. So let's go open up the big boy. This is what I've actually been waiting to smell because it's Tokyo. And I don't know what that, you know, what can that mean? You know, you got Tokyo hemp. What does that actually entail? You know, so let's go and swipe this bad boy open. And let's smell Tokyo. Oh my Lord. Yeah, I might have to cut. Ooh, I might have to cut you open, partner. Oh my God, bruh. We may have to go get us some scissors, y'all. Oh my Lord, yeah, I can't open this up. So boom. I really don't want to do this because it's a nice bag, man. Like I don't even want to throw this back, but I want to keep it just like decorations. That's crazy, man. Look, Plain Jane, whenever y'all see this video, please go ahead and send me some more. I just need the bags, honestly. I can send me all y'all bags. I'm trying to smell it out the bag because I can't even smell it. That's all I want to do is smell it. And it's not opening. But you know what? The better the bag, since the bag really don't open up, you can really tell this is going to be a good product. You know, they don't stale out. But guess what? Finally. Oh, I don't know. It don't stink. It's just a smell that's foreign. Like, I guess that's why they call it Tokyo, because it don't stink. It just, I don't know what it smells like. I don't. Yeah, I don't know what it smells like, man. But anyway, Plain Jane, big shout out to you guys. Like I said, send me some more bags if you don't mind, man. I like the bag, and the product is very, very great. And I can tell that. I won't try it on camera, like I said, once again, because I am in the house. If I go outside, maybe soon, maybe I'll, you know, try to work something out. But who knows, man. Only thing I can tell you guys is do this for me. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bells on for some more. If you definitely want to see me use this product, throw some comments down below and I'll go ahead and use the product for you guys. Another good thing about this as well, like I said at the beginning of the video, I will go ahead and have a link for Plain Jane down below. So if you guys want to go ahead and check the company out yourselves, go ahead and check them out, purchase the products, and use my special link, and you will be able to save a certain percentage. But guess what? You just gotta go find the link first and you'll figure it out. Maybe it could be 10%, maybe it could be 20%. It could even be 30%. Who knows, you guys? But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. Until next time, the brand is out. Peace.